Salam. Do you want to speak Amharic confidently in just a few weeks? Or are you moving to Addis and want to communicate with locals quickly? Maybe you have a family member who speaks Amharic and you are longing to interact. Hi, my name is Radit. I am a native Amharic speaker from Ethiopia and I help foreigners speak practical Amharic for daily life, travel, and business. I mainly focus on real conversations, not just grammar. I teach pronunciation clearly. I customize lessons to fit your need and your level. I also work as an interpreter, so I understand real life communication. ሰላም፣ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ። ይህንን ቪዲዮ በማየታችሁ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። That means welcome. I am very happy you are watching this video. I can't wait to help you speak Amharic with confidence. Book a lesson with me and let's start your Amharic journey today. Thank you. Bye.